Well, let's hope it fits. Hello, man. What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon. It's Tesla day. We're putting the LMs on. Finally, this motherfucker's ready. So where are my red center caps? On track?
On track.
Oh, okay, yeah. Business closed. I know I'm gonna get dirty, so I'm gonna change right now. This is the same episode. I'm gonna be wearing a white shirt and black shorts. So you guys know it's not a different day. It's same day. Look at these motherfuckers. They look the same. Fully changed. Now I'm comfortable. Ready to go. 50 mil spacers held up just, well, these are adapters actually, but they held up just fine with the torque on this car. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. These are definitely gonna come off. My prediction is the front is gonna be super aggressive and the rear is gonna be just perfect, but I don't know. It could all be perfect. Not all of us are perfect, except for this guy. Red caps came in. Now it looks more expensive. Fun fact, Calvin, you can confirm this. These are the factory wheels. These are the lighter. These are lighter than the factory ones. We weighed it. I'm just kidding, but it is lighter. I'm very excited. Very excited for this. Maybe I can go to my first car event, car meet with the Tesla. All right, guys, now that we're actually doing this, another little fact. The factory 21-inch Ubertine or Ubertine wheels, they're 21 by 9.5 in the front, 21 by 10.5 in the rear. We are changing it, just going half a size up. The front is 21 by 10, the rear is 21 by 11. You can see, to be honest, like a ½ inch of a difference. Is actually lighter, and the stretch is just gonna be a little bit better, a little bit more stretch. Now these are rolled lips. They roll inward compared to the standard regular lips that are kind of poking out. So the little bit, I think it's gonna be perfect is what I'm trying to say. I installed this kit on my own. Well, I did it with a lot of help.
Yeah, like a whole team of people.
Yeah, you were nowhere to be found.
Yeah, because I didn't want to touch it. I told you what to do, and I told you what you had to cut, because I know what I'm doing.
Really? This guy's a wide body expert. Your Porsche isn't even wide body.
It's got cup flares, my friend.
Not in the rear.
Yeah, because it's already a wide body from the factory.
Really? Is that what you tell people?
There's two different Porsches. There's a narrow body and a wide body, all right?
Oh. Oh, so yours is wide body?
It's wide body.
Oh, sick. I didn't know that. This is gonna be a world's first, that the first time the fitment's perfect.
As you can see, perfect stretch using the existing Tesla tires, because Mark's a cheap piece of shit and doesn't want to buy wider tires.
That's a backhanded compliment.
I know, it's kind of nice. I like to be nice and mean at the same time. It doesn't clear the brakes, imagine.
Oh, that's actually pretty perfect there, Ron.
Yeah, I mean, this is my fucking job, you dumbass. I'm supposed to be doing shit, not this shit.
You like doing it for the homies though, right?
I mean, for the free blowjob after this, yeah, why not? Never had a fucking Pakistani lick my balls and cock at the same time.
Really? I'll tell you what, if I can find it, I'll lick it. Ooh, a mini Urus.
Oh, brother,
When you get a Urus from Wish.
Yeah. Damn, those fucking bolts make it look fucking ugly. Is this a world's first?
It definitely is.
It is a world's first. He said it. 21-inch LMs on a Model Y. Right, Neeks? You seen this shit before? It's a world's first.
Yeah, Photoshop.
Oh, okay. It looks hard right now, you guys. So far. Damn, look at this shit.
Huh.
Huh.
I don't know. The front's perfect. Bigger tires, yo.
Yeah. The rear looks like a...
The wheel's perfect. The wheel's perfect, but you can't cheap out on tires.
Whoa, hold on a second.
You just gotta go wider tires.
Wider tires.
What is
Hold
this,
on a
35?
second. Hold on a
35.
second, guys.
35.
Hold on a big second here. We can go another ½ inch bigger. Look.
We can.
And you want to use the stock tire? It's gonna stretch more.
No. I wouldn't use stock tire. We can go 1/2 inch bigger.
Ooh.
Look at that shit. That looks hard.
Sometimes it only takes 1/2 inch, baby.
Look.
Remember when I said we should test the back too, and you're like, nah, it's the same shit. It's a waste of time. Remember I did the front?
back the clips.
Remember that day? Roll back the clips, motherfucker. We have a 20 by 4.5 here, huh? We do.
21 by 4.
Oh wait.
We don't have 21.
We'll just get one. You can get one, right?
Yeah, of course, but god damn it.
1/2 inch would be perfect, right? Or an whole inch.
1/2 inch. But it also is, you're gonna have to change tire or it's gonna be more stretch.
Yeah, I'll change tire.
You gotta go to 305.
Well, whatever. I don't care. But you think 1/2 inch or 1 inch? The front could even use another.
Yeah, the front could also.
All around for sure.
Yeah, dude, easy.
Like safety
Easy
without
1/2
having
inch.
to like worry about this shit. Look how much room, bro. You can literally fit.
No, hold on a second. So we can go 1/2 inch bigger on this. I'm not talking about lowering. I'm talking about outer.
Half, and then more tire.
No, I like this gap here. It just needs to be out more. The 1 finger gap's good. It's just too.
No, but the travel going up.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you were to go wide, bigger tires.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right. Yeah, we need 1/2 inch.
I'm going maybe one size bigger.
Yeah, we need half. Dude, I only see 1 inch and 1/2 inch. Yeah, bro.
Fitment, bro.
Huh?
Fitment, bro.
Yeah, we need 1 inch. I guess either that's it, or you guys won't know the difference, and when my lips are done, I'll just upload all this together like it was all one day. Update, just so you guys know, this is all in the same episode, so you're not gonna know, but we changed the lips. Now, it's a 4.5 inch and a 5 inch. It's a big difference. Yeah, that's 5. 4.5.
Yep.
All right, well, let's hope it fits.
I have Starburst in my mouth. Give me a second.
Poop, someone burst in your what, mouth? Mm-hmm. Today we're gonna do it right, and we're gonna do it right by my standards. What's up, girl?
What's up?
What's cracking?
What's up?
You all right? Huh?
I'm good.
What's up? You want some? Or
What's up?
you like that? Or?
Fuck out of here, dude. It's the last time you could be here. Get your Tesla wheels. What the fuck is this?
Yeah, he's just a classic. What are you guys gonna do?
Classic.
That's the nicest thing we say. All right, guys. Update on the Tesla wheels and tires. Ron, God bless him, his compressor isn't equipped to handle insane stretches. Sorry, my seatbelt thing is going off because I have fucking tires in my passenger seat that thinks it's a human being. But so I took the tires and the wheels. I'm gonna go to my cousin's place. He does like Jeeps and crazy stretch stupid stuff, and I think he should be able to get these on. And then I'm not gonna put it on the car because I know the car is too slammed. I'm gonna drive it straight over to Brian Ain't Lying. We're gonna put them on, adjust the suspension, make sure it's all good to go, and then I'm gonna suck his pulling up to my cousin's place, King's Tire. Let's see if you can put these motherfuckers on real quick for the homie, you know what I'm saying? Looks kind of meaty, to be honest with you. No stretch. It's fine. We'll do the meaty setup, we'll lift the car up a little bit. It should look good. Here's my fear. Everything's loaded up. We're gonna go. My fear is we added about 0.9 inches in overall diameter in the front. And my fear is might not be able to get good turning radius. But that's a problem that I have to fix when we get there. I will cut everything, you guys know me, I'll cut the whole goddamn car in half. But
but we got to take it step by step. So stay tuned. I'm going to Impressive right now. Brian's gonna help me. I'll see you guys there.
We have one of our KS customers walking in right now.
Kiss me, bro.
Oh.
What's up, dude?
My name's Ethan.
Hey, Mark. Hey, Tariq. Did you?
Super.
Don't worry about the tightness, motherfucker.
Tight like
You're the pro at tightening.
super tight like my butthole.
Well, this is. Oh, you squeezed it out.
Fuck, I like shit.
So these are the fronts. I'm definitely not gonna be able to turn.
Just go straight. Everywhere.
Ooh, fucking aggressive. Oh man.
Oh, the rear's clean.
Fuck, the front's aggressive. Shit. Shit looking hard. Damn, that shit looks hard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Maybe it's hitting something on this side. Oh, stock wheel. Sorry. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I got a flashlight. Yeah, it's not hitting anything. Now it's hitting the back a little bit. That's full lock? Yeah, okay, big deal. So it's fine. But it's the front that's the problem. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Go. Go. Doesn't hit shit. Doesn't hit, baby.
Gamble. You want to adjust the height though?
Yeah, we will adjust the height. Let's put the other ones on. Hold on. Fuck!
Damn, look at these spacers though.
I know. I definitely want to raise it. I want a 1 finger gap for sure.
Okay.
So that's good news. We'll end up raising it a little bit. And this doesn't have a 1 finger gap.
Nope, you need to go higher.
That one's Friday night. That one's cool.
Hell yeah.
Shit, drop.
Fucking no man!
All right. Update. It looks insane, and you can turn. It's just a little too low. It doesn't even have a finger gap, so we're gonna put the other side on, and then the magician is going to adjust the suspension, and I think we should be good. So, fuck, it looks amazing. I've been waiting forever for these. It's worth the wait, guys. BBS is definitely worth the wait. Update. We're gonna adjust the height. So, I want a 1 finger, straight 1 finger gap, basically around all 4 sides. And I'm gonna make the suspension a little bit stiffer so it's not as bouncy. I think it's gonna,
Would it be softer? You want it as bouncy? You want it
I want it stiffer.
Oh, so you want more bouncy.
I want less travel, so stiffer. He's gonna adjust it, and then bada bing, bada boom, that's it. All right, guys, well, we adjusted it. It's 1 finger gap, exactly what I want. Okay, remember this car has a lot of travel and it bottoms out a lot, and I'm wide body, so 1 finger gap in the front. We got a 1 finger gap in the rear. We got another 1 finger gap here in the rear.
And a finger in the mouth.
And, ooh, this is a little lower. The front, but fuck. Well, I mean,
Right now you're at 29 inches right here.
it's literally like a pussy hair, dude.
You're 1/8 of an inch lower on this side. So I can raise it up if you want.
Let's turn the wheel all the way. Front. Go that way first. Okay.
Is that full?
Yeah. You tell me, is it full? Yeah, it doesn't hit anything. Barely. Perfect. Bro, I think it's good.
All right, guys. Tell me what you guys think, please, in the comments. I gotta give a big shout out to Brian Ain't Lying. He didn't have anything smart to say this episode, but he says a bunch of smart. You have anything to say? Any tips? Brian Ain't Lying?
No, I'm tired.
Okay. Well, thank you, Brian. I appreciate it. Shout outs to AR for doing these wheels right, as always, the BBS. And I am actually in love. It's perfect. It's sitting just right, exactly how I want it. Not too slammed, but it's just perfect for daily. I think it's perfect for this car. And I also think you guys are perfect. So thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. Tell me what you guys really think about this setup. Would you guys want a different color? Do you like the all black on black murdered out look on my Model Y? I personally love the way it looks, especially with the red caps and the red brakes. But yeah, anyways, as always, thanks for tuning in. Claw that subscribe button for your boy. I would really appreciate it. I'd really appreciate it if you guys claw that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.